Okay, in this lesson, it's lesson 2, absolute values, and we're in chapter 5. Let's look at the top positive numbers. Are graphed on the right of 0. Negative numbers are graphed on the left side of 0. Opposites are numbers that are the same distance from 0 in opposite directions. Okay, let's look at this. They want to know what's the opposite of negative 5. That is 5. The opposite of 10 is negative 10. The opposite of negative 45 is 45. The opposite of 0 is 0. The opposite of negative 0.25 is 0.25. Over here, the opposite of the opposite. So the opposite of negative 12 is 12, and the opposite of that is negative 12. So basically, the opposite of the opposite is the exact same thing as it's asking you. So you just write the same thing. No matter if it's a whole number or a decimal, it's going to be the same. Okay, down here, we're going to look at the absolute value. Absolute value means how far a number is away from 0. It always has to be a positive number. So, the absolute value of negative 7, that's what these little lines on either side mean, that's absolute value. So, that means how far away is negative 7 from 0 on the number line, and it's 7 spots. The absolute value of 4, that is 4 spots away from 0. Okay, now we're going to be doing some addition and subtraction down here. So, absolute value is 5. That means how far away is 5 from 0? It's 5. Plus the absolute value of negative 6. Negative 6 is 6 spots away, so 5 plus 6 is 11. Down on this one, I want to know what is the absolute value of 20 minus 9. So first I'm going to do 20 minus 9. And when I do 20 minus 9, I get 11. So the absolute value of 11. Yeah, 11 is 11 spots away from 0. This little guy down here got kind of cut off. This guy is really the absolute value of negative 8. So how far is 8 away from 0? It's 8 spots minus the absolute value of negative 2. 2 is 2 spots from 0. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So make sure that is always a positive number when you're writing it, because it always has to be that far from 0.